In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to find measures of central tendency as well as measures of variability using SPSS. So mean, median, and mode are our measures of central tendency. Mean is the average, median is the midpoint, mode is the most common response. In order to find mean, median, and mode, you need to go to Analyze, Descriptive, Frequencies. Then you pick your variable. I'm going to pick life expectancy by country in 1800. And what you'll see if I just click on that is this table telling me how many responses are valid, and then the frequencies for each of the lifespan average. As you can see, the lifespan average by country in 1800 ranged from 23.4 years to 42.9 years. Now, you probably noticed there's no mean, median, or mode there. What you need to do is go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies, and then click on the Statistics button and click on Mean, Median, and Mode. Now, you can also get the mean other ways in SPSS. However, median and mode are only reported in frequencies. Then click Continue. OK. Scroll down. Or scroll here, and then you have a table of output that tells you your sample size. So here the N is 184. The mean, 31.5, the median, 31.75. As this indicates, the similarity of the median and the mean indicates that a normal distribution is likely, and the mode, the most common response, is 32. Now, the mode is not a very useful metric when we're looking at continuous data like that, because these are such small increments that it just happens that 8 countries landed on 32. There's not really a meaningful difference in terms of frequency responses from 31.9 and 32.1. But should you have categorical data where the mode is useful to find, this is how to find it. Measures of variability can also be found using these commands. Again, go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies. We can keep our variable of life expectancy in the 1800s, go to Statistics, and then under Dispersion, you can get the standard deviation, which is the average squared difference from the mean, that is then the square root is found, the variance, which is the square of the standard deviation, and the range, which is the difference between the lowest and the highest points in the data set. Click Continue, OK, and you get a table of output here where we have the same mean, median, and mode as we did before because it's the same variable. Our standard deviation is 3.815 approximately, and the square of that is the variance. This range is the difference between the lowest and the highest, so our lowest is 23.4 and our highest is 42.9. You can check that math by taking 42.9 and then subtracting 23.4, and you see it's 19.5. That is our range.